Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view tasks assigned to team members in Asana. This is incredibly useful when you need to check what your colleagues are working on, monitor project progress, or simply coordinate team workload more effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Asana and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar. This search functionality is one of Asana's most powerful features for quickly navigating to any person, project, or task within your workspace. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen. This will activate it and allow you to start typing. Now type in the name of the team member whose tasks you want to view. As you type, Asana will start suggesting results that match your search query. You'll see various options appear, including the team member's profile, tasks they're involved in, and potentially projects they're part of. Look for the result that shows the team member's name along with their profile picture. This is the direct link to their profile page where all their task information is consolidated. Click on their name to open their profile. Once you're on their profile page, you'll notice several options at the top. One of these is labeled All. Click on All to open their complete task list. This view displays every single task currently assigned to that team member, giving you a comprehensive overview of their workload and responsibilities. From this view, you can see what they're actively working on, what's coming up next, and what might be overdue. It's an excellent way to understand their current capacity before assigning additional work or to simply stay informed about their progress on shared projects. If you want even more context about their involvement across the workspace, scroll down below the task list. Here you'll find all the projects they're assigned to. This gives you a broader picture of their role and responsibilities within the team, helping you understand not just individual tasks, but their overall project commitments as well. And that's it. You now have a clear view of everything your team member is working on in Asana, making collaboration and project management much more transparent and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.